Hey guys, if you would like to DIY your Maxi skirt into a stylish dress, definitely keep on watching. Measure the skirt to know the length. This skirt is measuring 34 inches. It's a 5-step garter skirt. 5 steps. Then the last 3 steps is measuring 20 inches. Meanwhile, the dress I'm making is going to be length 31 inches. Just cut 3 steps away from it, loosen it up, give it a good press, and then gather to the waist measurement of the new dress you are making. So this is the lower part of the dress we are making, which is also known as, and now moving forward to the bodice. First of all, cut off the elastic band from the remaining 2 steps of the Maxi skirt. Then separate the 2 steps by cutting through, and then you give it a good press. Afterwards, you join them together again, thereby making it a straight seam. Now, before now it was a garter skirt, but right now it's a straight 2 pieces you're attaching together. If you have a serger, you can use a serger because it gives you the sewing and the weaving at the same time, so it gives you a perfect finish. Otherwise, you can sew and then weave just to keep the inside neat, because in this case we are not going to be using a lining. So now you fold for cutting out the bodies. If you have a pattern, you can put your pattern right now and cut. We're using a pattern for this tutorial because the fabric is limited. If we decide to cut it out, we'll have to waste some part of it. So in order for us to be able to utilize every part, hence a pattern. Spread out the pieces you have cut. Arrange it accordingly. And this is the back pieces. And then over to the front pieces again. 3 pieces because it's a princess dart bodice. Align the pieces together, pin, and then sew. You are pinning just to keep it in place so that the designs will not drift apart. You sew. And then you do same for the back pieces. You arrange it properly, determine your dart line, you pin, and then you sew. After sewing, you have something like this. Yes, I used the serger and then I top stitched. Again, if you do not have a serger, you can sew and then weave it and then top stitch. You're top stitching on the right hand side, mind you. And then the back pieces, I've gone ahead to sew the darts and then I'm arranging it accordingly. Cut out a band, 2 pieces or 1 single piece. I cut out 2 pieces because the fabric was not enough to cut out a single piece. So you can cut out 2 pieces, and this is measuring 1.5 by your waist measurement plus 2 inches extra. So if your waist measurement, for instance, is 31 inches, you are going to be cutting out a band of 33 inches by 1.5 inches. So you go ahead, arrange the band on the bodice, you pin just to keep it in place, and then you sew. Do the same thing to the back pieces. Arrange the skirt you prepared earlier with the bodies of the dress you're making. Align them together, pin, and then sew. You have something like this, looking beautiful already. So we have 2 pieces measuring 11 inches by 3.5 inches and a band elastic of 9 inches. This is what we're going to use to form the off-shoulder sleeve. The fabric will be wrapped around the elastic, making it an elastic off-shoulder hand. The fabric together like so, because we're going to fix the elastic inside from one armhole to the other. Meanwhile, you can turn the neck right now using a bias, and also you turn the armhole and the fixing of the hands together. Voila, this is what we have. You see how neat it is? This is how yours should look also. Now you fix your zip. Looking beautiful already. Dress is ready.